Hi, this is Harry Patience Davies, and I'm a storytelling coach. I wanted to give you a couple of tips about working with an autocue. Now, you can use an autocue formally at an event when it's reflected in those little nifty glass windows, or you can use it like just on your computer and have it scrolling up the screen. The absolute key thing about having an autocue is while you are reading, you should not be reciting. An autocue is not there for you to just read it out loud because when we read out loud, sometimes our voices can get a little bit flat. You still need to perform the words. So just because you've got an autocue, that doesn't mean that you shouldn't try and learn your speech. You want to know where you want to speed up. You want to know where you want to slow down, where you want to add emphasis, where you want to add pauses. So an autocue is a great tool, and I completely think they're really worth practicing with because they can really make you into a presenter who's not worried about forgetting something. But you just remember the purpose of an autocue is not to be read, it's to remind you. So you should always still work on your speech beforehand, practice it so that you can give a great performance.